Why children emotionally withdraw from their parents, and how to rebuild trust through listening. Understanding why children emotionally withdraw from their parents. By the end of this training, you will identify emotional triggers behind silence. Recognize the impact of dismissive responses. Learn empathetic listening techniques. Explore ways to rebuild trust and reconnect. Here are the key issues and how to address them. Dismissal and judgment can cause children to withdraw emotionally. How to spot. Notice when children share and are dismissed. Action. Acknowledge their feelings rather than dismissing them. Emotional validation is crucial for children's safety. How to validate. Recognize the importance of emotional validation. Action. Create space for open conversations without judgment. Creating a safe space allows children to express themselves. How to create safety. Encourage open dialogue and expression of feelings. Action. Be present and attentive when they speak. Empathy helps rebuild trust and connection. How to rebuild. Use empathy to reconnect with your child. Action. Listen deeply and respond with understanding. Now let's explore some real-world scenarios. A child expresses fear about school, but the parent dismisses it. What to do? Pause and reflect. Is this concern being taken seriously? Your action should be: validate their feelings and encourage sharing. A teenager shares sadness, but the parent offers quick fixes. What should happen? Pause and listen. Is the teen feeling hurt? If not, avoid jumping to solutions and listen deeply. Now let's recap what you learned. Children need emotional safety, not just hearing. Silence is often a heart's protection. Listening builds trust more than advice. Empathy keeps communication open. Take a moment today to listen, without fixing, correcting, or rushing. Let your child feel safe to be heard. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more insights that bring us closer.